How to download and install Lucky Patcher. Open any browser. Now in the URL bar type luckypatchers.com and then press enter. The link is given in the description. Here, this is the official website of Lucky Patcher. Now click on the menu or navigation bar. Select the download option. Just scroll down. Here in the download links, select download LP installer button. Here it is redirected to the MediaFire website. Just have to click on the download button, and after a certain time the download will be started. Here it says this file can harm your device. Just click on the OK button. Now let's go to the downloads. Here you can see that the LP installer is downloading. It's about 8.24 megabytes. We have to wait. If you are using all Android phones, then Google Play Protect may not let you to install this application, so you have to turn off the Play Protect to install this app. Here it is successfully downloaded. To turn off the Google Play Protect, we have to open the Play Store first. Here in the drawer, you can see the Play Protect. Just click on it. Now click on the settings. Now just turn it off. Okay, now we have to install the LP installer. So let's open the browser and then go to the downloads. Just click on it. Let me allow the Chrome to install the application. Okay, now let's install the LP installer. Here it is installed, so open it. Give it the storage permission. Press S to install the Lucky Patcher. Okay, again let me allow it to install application. Now let's install the Lucky Patcher. Here the Lucky Patcher is successfully installed. Let's just open it. Now press OK to uninstall the LP installer. We don't need it anymore. Okay, now we have successfully installed the Lucky Patcher. Now we can enable the Play Protect. Now let's open the Lucky Patcher. We have to provide all required permissions to the Lucky Patcher. Now you can hack games using Lucky Patcher.